Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick roundup of what to expect this month and the updates for Windows 10. So last time we had really big updates every week or almost for different versions of Windows was in November, as Microsoft was giving its normal, week A, B, C, D, updates. And basically, there are some bug fixing updates every month, and there are some security updates for Patch Tuesday. What is going to happen, of course, this month is that we're getting back to normal, as December was not released. They did not release any bug fixing updates. December actually had only one update for all versions of Windows that are supported, which was the security updates for Patch Tuesday. So January of 2021 brings back the normal updates cycle. So that means that what we will have this month is basically, first of all, Patch Tuesday. Patch Tuesday is going to happen next week, Tuesday, January the 12th. So that will be the security updates, the first batch of security updates for 2021. Let's hope 2021 is a little more relaxed than all the updates that were in 2020, because there were some really amazing big packages of security updates in 2020. So that will, of course, happen on Tuesday, January the 12th. Then there will be bug fixing updates, which means that in Windows 10, different versions of Windows 10 that are still supported will have the week after. So the week of January the 18th, 19th, in that week, there will be at some point some bug fixing updates. That will be probably for versions of 1909, which is the last version of 2019 that's still supported. And there will be, of course, the updates for May and October 2020 update. That will probably come the week after, and the week where we're going to have other updates. So we'll see all of that. And of course, as these updates are actually released this month, we'll be looking at what is in there, what does it fix, what does it do. And of course, we'll be keeping an eye on the Patch Tuesday updates. It should contain a fix for one of the security flaws that was actually disclosed by the Google Project Zero in December. A fix that was supposed to be done in June, but that was actually not right. So there was another way of actually exploiting the security vulnerability. So that is apparently going to be fixed next week. So we'll, of course, keep an eye on all of the information we get from the different updates this month. So we're back to regular schedule updates every month starting this month of January. So hold on to your seats, and let's hope that Microsoft doesn't actually have too many problems and doesn't, have us get some problems that shouldn't be there, and that they are going to be good updates. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.